My name is Victor Vijay Kumar. My metric card number is 08TEP22F1023. This video we gonna see about process of servicing air conditioner. We need a air filter, an aircon chemical, and a dust remover and a water gun spray. First switch off the aircon and then open the front panel to remove the filters. Pull out as gentle as you can so that it won't break. And then untie the screws to remove the air conditioner deck. And then pull out the air conditioner deck as gentle as you can so that it won't break. Then wipe the dust using the dust remover. Make sure it is clean so that it won't be dirty when you using the chemical to clean it. Then spray some chemical on the air intel and then wash it with the spray gun, water gun spray. And then place it the air conditioner deck again. Then place the screws in the place where you untied it. Then fix the screws in the place where you take from. Make sure you fix it as tight as you can so that the air conditioner deck won't fall. Then place it the new filter where you remove the old filter from. Then close the front panel and then switch on the aircon to see the aircon is working clearly or not.
Thank you.